Hello, DIY Glamettes. Welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY. And if you're new here, I'm Tammy, and welcome. Now, today's video is 2 glam high-end DIYs. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. But please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Let's get this DIY project started. Now we're going to be taking this cylinder vase and this table decor vase. We're going to revamp them, and we're using this Rust-Oleum Spa Blue spray paint. Now that my piece is painted, we're going to be adding Total Dazzle brooches to it and some diamond rhinestone adhesive sheets. Now I'm going to drop Total Dazzle link down in the description box. And later in the video, I will also be using bbcraft.com mirror mosaic tiles. Both of those links will be in my description box, along with all of my affiliate links. It costs you nothing to purchase from my affiliate links, you guys. I'll receive a small commission if you do, and you'll be able to save some of your coins by using my affiliate links and discount codes. Now we're going to just elevate the look of this vase, and I'm adding that bling strips to this vase, and I'm just going to layer the top and the bottom with it, and we're going to jazz this thing all the way up. And if you know your girl, drop me a comment if you think I'm going to be using these DIYs in my home or gifted them out. Let's see who has the right answer. We're getting ready to add on that Total Dazzle brooch, and this is what that cylinder looks like. Now you guys, when you're using these brooches and this hot glue, please be very careful because the hot glue does heat up the brooch. Now this is that Monvic hot glue gun. It is not sponsored, but I'm going to drop the information for it in my description as well. If you are a crafter, I promise you guys, this is one of the best hot glue guns your girl has ever used. So with that in mind, I'm going to leave you the link for it. And we're getting ready to complete this DIY. And like I said, you guys, this DIY is gorgeous. And if you are liking this video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, tap that bell twice, and you'll know every time that I am uploading a video. And once again, please do make sure you subscribe to Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen of Decor, and Glam Queen Unboxing. And this portion of the video is actually sponsored by Total Dazzle. I received my package from Total Dazzle like this, you guys. I still constantly do quarantine cleaning, but I actually ordered some of those new appliques, bling wrap, and napkin rings. Also, too, you guys, there will be a Total Dazzle giveaway. If you want to enter into the giveaway, please comment giveaway in my comments. Also, make sure you go over to the Glam Queen of Decor. Look at that latest video, which is that spring home tour. And inside of that video, please leave me a comment, Total Dazzle, and I know to register you for the $25 giveaway. Now, I did receive this rose gold bling wrap, you guys. Total Dazzle bling is gorgeous. I have these new appliques. Please make sure, if you are a crafter or if you sew, pick up you some of these appliques. This is the Tiffany one. They are gorgeous. They ran out. So when they get them back in stock, you guys, get them. You're going to be seeing quite a few projects with these appliques as well. I also picked up one in that gold also. Now guys, isn't this gorgeous? Stay on the lookout for the DIY that we're going to be using to create pieces with these appliques. I also ordered several different napkin rings. Now you guys, all of these napkin rings you will get to see quite often on the Glam Queen of Decor. I ordered 6 of everything, you guys, and this is that gold rhinestone cluster, and it looks like this. Look at that sparkle and that shine on that, you guys. I promise you, you will love, love, love these napkin rings, and they are very high end. And I'm going to let you see what each of the napkin rings will look like on a napkin as well. And make sure you do check my description box for that Total Dazzle link, so you can go over and pick up you some nice items. Now I also have this next, and this is that rose gold cluster napkin ring. Look at the sparkle on that, you guys. You will be seeing some rose gold pieces coming soon, and they're actually going to be for one of my niece's home. So be on the lookout for that, because that reveal is coming soon, and I'm going to drop the DIYs for that right before we do the reveal of her home. I also ordered 6 of these, and this is another one of those diamond cluster napkin rings as well. Each napkin ring and every item link will be in that description. And I do know you all seeing a lot of gold here. I want to know, do you think you know what's finna become of all the gold? Now look how that looks on the napkin ring. Now we just have these diamond rhinestone napkin rings. And I'm also still gonna let you see what it looks like on the napkin as well. But once again, to enter in that Total Dazzle giveaway, please comment down in this video, Total Dazzle, and I know to enter you in. But the second part is you have to go over to the Glam Queen of Decor on that latest spring, early spring home tour video, and comment Total Dazzle as well. But you must also be subscribed to the Glam Queen of DIY and the Glam Queen of Decor. And make sure you subscribe to Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, and Glam Queen Vlogs. Now for the next DIY. Also, too, family, my piece is painted. Drop me a comment if you're liking these DIYs. I'm trying to bring you a more simplified DIY. I have a lot of new comers watching the channel, and they're requesting to do very simple, very easy DIYs, like DIYs for the beginners. If you are liking the steps I'm taking, and don't forget my season or my oldies but goodies, I still will have some DIYs throughout the mix for you. We do have a new uploading schedule. We normally upload 4 days a week, but for the next few months we're gonna almost be doing daily uploads. So please make sure you come back from some more glam DIYs.